Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I want to just share something with you. I've been kind of fascinated with black cardstock again. So I wanted to share a couple of things with you. Um, First, to begin with, this is just, white. This is milled lavender, I think. This is a Distress Oxide ink that I used, and I got this lovely stenciled out piece here. However, I was just curious to see if I were to add color, what would happen. Now, this I love on its own, but then I decided to add a little red, so I got this. And if you can see, I can put them side by side so you can see the distinct difference. Okay. And then I had some leaves. I thought I would do this and so that you can see it's nice and creamy and it's not exactly white. So I'm going to put this side by side again so you can see that there is definitely a difference. So I want to share with you how to do this. There's no rocket science in there, but I just wanted to share. So I'm just going to grab just a black piece of cardstock as I did previously. And I'm just going to use anything, really, any kind of um, stencil. This is a layered stencil, but I'll be, just for time, I will just use a very, a pattern that's very, what you call minimal, part of one, so that I can show. So here you go. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use the same stencil here. I'm going to go ahead and just get that covered up really, really quickly. It's going to be done in like no time. Now you want to make sure you get enough of um, the color in the stencil so that in that way it will have that base that you need. It's just like adding white to any color, to get a little, you know, make it more vibrant or a lot more visible. So this is really what this is. So you would want to use some sort of a color, whether it's white or anything close to that color, so you can get that look that you want. So I have done that. Let's go ahead and or we're going to leave it on here. I'm sorry. So you're just going to leave this. This is your base. Then I'm going to go ahead and use red, and you will see. So I'm going to put the red over this. Just make sure you have enough red and you kind of saturate it as much as possible. What I like about the Distress Oxide inks is that it has that creamy look to it, which I love. And I just find, that it creates more of a warm uh, texture or look to your card making. So I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible so we can keep it moving, and you can just see what I'm referring to. Okay, so I believe that I have everything on there. Now let's take a look. So I'm going to just take this off. Now take a look at how this looks right now. Again, you can see, well, it looks white, but let me put the original close to it so you can see. Here is the original, and here is the one with the red. So it looks redder in person, but it has a subtle and soft, color to it. So here you go. So go ahead and experiment. I shall see you guys next week. Bye.